5 minus 4 times 3 minus 2. 5 minus 4 gives us 1. And 3 minus 1 again equals 1. So 1 times 1 is just 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. And when we have more than one subtraction in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So therefore, first we have to do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction or this subtraction before this multiplication, it is wrong. So first we have to do this multiplication. 4 times 3 equals 12. So 5 minus 12, then minus 2. Now we have two subtractions. And when we have more than one subtraction in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do 5 minus 12, which gives us negative 7. So negative 7 minus 2, which equals negative 9. And this is our final answer to this problem.